Greetings to you all, my dear children. Today we are going to see a very fun and entertaining lesson. Unit 6, Digital Painting. In this lesson, we will learn how to paint using the application called Tux Paint and learn easy arithmetic calculations through the software Tux Math. First, we are going to learn Tux Paint. What is Tux Paint? Tux Paint is a free drawing program. Like MS Paint, this is also one of the painting software. This software is very easy to use, designed for young children. It has funny sound effects. It has an encouraging cartoon mascot. Cartoon mascot means cartoon symbol, which helps to guide children as they use the program. Linux Penguin is the cartoon mascot of this application. Children, you can download and install Tux Paint from the website www.tuxpaint.org. When the Tux Paint application is open, the title screen loads first. Once loading is complete, we should press any key from keyboard or click the mouse to continue. Otherwise, the screen will go away by itself in 30 seconds. Next screen that appears right after the title screen is called the main screen. See, this is the main screen. The main screen is divided into 5 parts. They are the left side toolbar, the middle drawing canvas, right side selector, lower color palette and the bottom help area. Now let's see one by one. Children, see, this is left side toolbar. This toolbar has the control options to draw and to edit images. Middle, drawing canvas. This is the largest part of the screen dedicated to draw and edit images. This is the place where you will draw your pictures, children. Right side, selector. When your tool is selected from the left side toolbar, the right side bar will display the options associated with the specific tool. Example, when the line tool is selected, the right side bar shows the various lines available. When the shape tool is selected, different shapes options can be seen on the right side. Lower, colors. A palette of available colors are shown near the bottom of the screen. You can access these colors with the help of tools in the toolbar. Tux is the name of the Linux Penguin, which is the cartoon mascot of this application, is found at the left bottom of the screen, provides tips for you to draw. Tool options. There are 14 tools present in the toolbar. Let's see their functions one by one. The paintbrush tool lets you draw freehand using various brushes selected from the selector at the right and various colors selected from the color palette at the bottom. The stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. Children, you can use the left and right arrows to move through the collections. Lines. This tool is used to draw lines. Similar to the paintbrush, the selector provides various symbols and shapes for the line tool for the lines to be drawn. Shapes. This tool is let you draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. The selector option has a number of shapes for you to draw. Text. This tool is used to type text. A number of fonts are available in the selector for you to type. Magic tool. Magic tool is a set of special tools selecting one of the magic effects from the selector situated in the right side. This tool provides countless number of special visual effects if it is used in various combination with other tools. This tool can be used either by clicking or by dragging the effect directly onto the image to apply it. Eraser. This tool appears similar to the paintbrush, but it is used to erase the picture. Undo. This tool is used to cancel the last given command. The keyboard shortcut for undo command is Ctrl plus Z. Redo. This tool is used to reverse the action of the undo. The keyboard shortcut for the redo command is Ctrl plus Y. New. Clicking the new button will start a new drawing. The keyboard shortcut for the new is Ctrl plus N. Open. This tool is used to open an existing file. The keyboard shortcut for open command is Ctrl plus O. Save. This tool is used to save your current picture. The keyboard shortcut for save command is Ctrl plus S. Print. This tool is used to print your current picture. The keyboard shortcut for print command is Ctrl plus P. Quit. This tool is used to close TuxPaint window. The keyboard shortcut for quit command is escape button.
Children, this is the website tuxpaint.org from where you can download the application TuxPaint for free on your PC. The size of the application TuxPaint is only 26 MB. It is very small. So children, you can easily download and install the application TuxPaint on your PC by clicking on the link provided in the website. Children, the Tux Penguin is the app icon of the application TuxPaint. When the TuxPaint loads first, a title screen appears. Once loading is complete, press any key on your keyboard or click on your mouse to continue. Otherwise, the title screen will go away automatically in 30 seconds and the main screen appears. Look at the main screen, children. The main screen has 5 sections. The left side toolbar, the right side selector, the middle drawing canvas, the lower color palette and the bottom help area. The toolbar has the control options to draw and to edit images. It has paintbrush tool, stamp tool, lines, shapes, text, label, fill, magic tool, undo, redo, eraser, new, open, save, print and quit options. The middle drawing canvas is the largest part of the main screen. This is where you're going to draw your pictures, children. When a tool is selected from the left side toolbar, the right side selector displays the options associated with the specific tool. For example, when the lines tool is selected, the right side bar shows various lines available. When the shape tool is selected, you can see different shape options on the right side. A palette of available colors are shown near the bottom of the screen. At the very bottom of the screen, you can find the Tux. Tux is the name of Linux Penguin. Linux Penguin is the cotton mascot of this application. This Tux provides tips and other information while you draw.
Now I am going to show you a demo on how to draw using TuxPaint. Clicking the new button will start a new drawing. You can select the colors for your canvas. Using shape tool, you can draw any shape. Now I am using circle option with white color to draw a white circle. Using paint brush tool, I am drawing its eyes. Now I am drawing hat using shape tool. I am using lines tool along with the brown color from the palette to draw its arms. Magic tool provides countless number of special visual effects if it is used in various combination with other tools. Now I am showing you one such magic tool option called symmetric left right. Using this, you can draw symmetrically. Using paint tool along with the various options provided in the selector, I am decorating the Xmas tree. Using text tool, you can type text. Using undo tool, you can cancel the previous operation. Using redo, you can reverse the function of undo. Using eraser tool, you can erase. You can use stamps to decorate your drawing. Using save option, you can save your drawing. Using print, you can print your drawing. Using open option, you can open and see an existing file. Here, I have few drawings to show you which I have already drawn. Children, hope you enjoyed this tux paint. So, try and enjoy painting. Tux Math. Tux Math is an open source arcade style video game for learning arithmetic operations. Arcade gaming is nothing but the game style which gets faster and faster as you level up. The higher the level you play, the faster the game will be. The main goal of the Tux Math is to make learning effective and fun. Children, you can download and install the Tux of Math command game from the website sourceforge.net. Like Tux Paint, this is also a very small sized application. So children, you can download on your PC and enjoy arithmetic learning. This is the title screen that appears right after clicking on the Play Alone mode. This screen consists of 4 modes. They are Math Command Training Academy, Math Command Fleet Mission, Play Arcade Game, Play Custom Game. Math Command Training Academy consists of a list of over 50 prepared lessons, starting with the simple typing of a single digit numbers and progressing to multiplication and division involving negatives and missing number questions. For example, minus 17 into dash is equal to 119. The player wins if the question list is completed successfully. Successfully completed lessons are indicated with a flashing gold star. The third mode mentioned in the title screen is the Play Arcade mode. The next screen that appears on clicking the Play Arcade mode consists of the following options. Space Cadet. In this quiz, questions comes based on only simple additions. Scout. Questions come based on addition and subtraction to 10. Ranger. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division up to 10 are asked. Yes, all 4 operations with operands to 20, including negative numbers and missing numbers type questions are asked. The next mode on the title screen is the Play Custom Game. This option can be used to play a game based on the config file in the player's home directory. Children, you will find a text document named Options in your file directory. You can edit that text document and can frame your own questions to play in the Play Custom Game mode. Children, also you can find the text document called README in the same file directory. This README file is a user manual for this program. The More Options button in the title screen redirect to the shown page. These options have the demo as well as credits and project information. This is the website sourceforge.net from where you can download the Tux of Math command application. The size of the application is only 21.1 MB. It is also very small application. You can easily download by clicking on the download button provided in the website. Opening the Tux Math, the main screen appears. On clicking the Play Alone mode, the title screen appears, which consists of Math Command Training Academy, Math Command Fleet Mission, Play Arcade Game, Display custom game options. The Math Command Training Academy consists of a list of over 50 prepared lessons, starting with the simple typing of single-digit numbers and progressing to multiplication and division involving negative and missing numbers. Children, shall we play? The player wins if the question list is completed successfully. Successfully completed lessons are indicated with a flashing gold star. Play arcade game option can be used to select and play one of the 4 open-ended arcade style games. The options include Space Cadet, Scout, Ranger and Ace. Play custom game option can be used to play a game based on the config file in the player's home directory. You can edit the option file in your home directory to create customized game. More options have demo mode as well as credit and project information. So children, why are you waiting yet? Go download immediately and learn math happily. Have a test day. Bye.